One of my favorite herbs to grow this time of year in the garden is fresh basil. I love it for so many different recipes, but one of my favorite things to make with our garden fresh basil is fresh basil pesto. I make an extra large jar that I can then store. It is the most delicious recipe and I want to share it with you now.
Basil pesto is such an easy recipe to make. However, using fresh ingredients makes all the difference in the flavor. Begin by toasting your pine nuts in a skillet or pan until they are golden brown. Next, you'll want to peel 2 to 3 garlic cloves. The beauty of this recipe is you really can't go wrong. If you love the flavor of garlic, add some extra garlic. Then you want about 2 cups of fresh basil leaves. You can substitute the basil leaves for something like spinach or arugula if you want something slightly different. Add your toasted pine nuts to your food processor and then drizzle that olive oil on top. Now, the thickness of your pesto can be increased or decreased with the addition of extra virgin olive oil. Begin by pulsating your food processor. Once you have mixed the majority of your ingredients, you can now add the Parmesan cheese flakes. I love fresh Parmesan cheese. You can't really go wrong with too much Parmigiano either. Now continue to blend your pesto until your desired consistency. Like I said before, if you want something a bit thinner, add some extra olive oil. At our house, we love pesto. I have so many additional recipes on the blog. If pesto is something you want to use, you could try my baked caprese chicken or pesto stuffed chicken breasts over on bevintagestyle.com. I store a large mason jar of pesto in the refrigerator for up to about a week at a time, but of course it's always better when you make it fresh. Good luck and enjoy. Check out the blog for more recipes.